If you already have a PayPal business account and want payments to go directly there, you can use the PayPal payments block. This allows you to accept payments or donations via PayPal. So when you have linked your bank account to your PayPal business account, we can go ahead and add the PayPal payment button. To add the PayPal payment button to your site, take the following steps. Go to your site's dashboard, navigate to the editor, and open the relevant page you want to add the button to. In this case, I will go to the page called Canvases as I am selling artwork. Remember, you can sell physical items, services, or even accept donations using the PayPal block. To add the PayPal block, I'll open the list view top left, select the description block, click the 3 vertical dots, and select Add After. Then we can use the shortcut and type /PayPal and insert the block. Next, you need a special code that you will add to the PayPal buttons block. Click the sign up or log in link in the PayPal payments block to go directly to the build your payment links and buttons page on PayPal. Or log into your PayPal account, go to pay and get paid, and click create payment links and buttons. Select the payment buttons option, and then we can go ahead and add the button details for the specific product. We can add an item name, a description, and then you can sell the item for a set price or let customers pick what they want to pay, which is great for tipping or donations. I will go ahead and sell my canvas for $50 and keep the currency in USD. You can also let customers buy multiple items at once and set a maximum. In this example, I will say you can't buy more than 5. You also have the option to add at least 5 images of the product if you wish to. And right at the bottom, you can choose what your PayPal button will say. When you are ready, click the Build It button at the top right of the PayPal screen to generate the button code. And here, below the Stacked Buttons tab, you will have 2 sections of HTML code to copy. So let's go ahead and copy the code of part 1. Return to our payment buttons block and select Stacked Buttons, which is the recommended one, and paste part 1. Copy part 2 and paste it in the relevant field. I will go ahead and save my changes and then preview it in a new tab. And now visitors to my site can view the canvas, the description, and then use the stacked buttons to purchase the canvas. In this example, we'll go ahead and select 2 and then click PayPal to pay via PayPal, or click Checkout to use a different payment method. The other option is to use the single button layout. So let's go ahead and open the single button tab. Open the page with codes, make our way to single button, copy the code, and paste it in the field below. Once again, we'll save our changes and preview it in a new tab. And now we will see the single Buy Now button. If you are using the PayPal block to sell physical products, please keep in mind that it does not take into account tax or shipping costs. You will therefore need to include that in your price. The shipping address is collected through PayPal, so once you receive your payment notification, you'll also receive the buyer's address to ship the product to. To add full e-commerce functionality to your site, like a shopping cart, checkout, tax, shipping, and more, you will need to install the WooCommerce plugin, but we won't be covering that in this lesson. Be sure to check that PayPal supports collecting online payments in your region. You can refer to the PayPal website for a list of supported countries. Please also note, for digital products, the payment buttons block is the easier option because it automatically emails customers their download link after purchase. You just upload the file and include the link in the welcome message. If you prefer PayPal, you can still sell digital products, but PayPal won't deliver the file for you. You'll need to send the download link manually. For every transaction, PayPal will send a confirmation email with the info of the person who made the purchase. and the purchaser will also receive an email as a receipt. All payments are processed directly by PayPal and deposited into your PayPal account. WordPress.com will also send an email for each purchase, and you can expect a monthly report for all your transactions. Also remember, PayPal will take a fee. The amount varies depending on the payment method, the country, and other factors. Check out their fees page if you want to learn more. And I also want to highlight that WordPress.com does not charge any fee or take any cut of the payments. With the PayPal payment buttons block, you can start accepting payments securely and have full control over how you sell.